Today I got this shirt for my daughter. I got it one size bigger than what she normally wears because I'm going to be cutting it to make a matching bow. I'm going to start by cutting off this bottom piece and saving that for later. Then I'm going to cut at 3 inches. For this piece, the next thing I'm going to do is cut off the seams on both sides. This will leave me with enough fabric to actually make 2 bows. Here you'll see I went over 3 inches from each side and made a slanted cut. Now I'm going to fold it, flip it back to the front, and from top to bottom, do pinches. I'm going to hold those pinches in place by wrapping an elastic hair tie around it twice. That extra fabric from the beginning, I'm just going to cut 2 strips, one for each bow, fold it, and use that as the center of the bow. I'm going to put it over the front, tie it in the back, cut the extra fabric, add a clip, and here's both bows done, and now my daughter has a matching set. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to keep seeing videos like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.